Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, the day is finally here. Well, the day is not here, it's the day before. But like, it's just like for real now. The packing and the preparing. Shamoya hair is done. Do you guys want to see her hair? I didn't know I was an hairdresser until today. I did her hair yesterday. I started it. You see, I even started it late. So I started here like yesterday afternoon, and we finished like last night about after 12. Finished after 12, and mind you, I stopped to prepare TJ's dinner, feed him, do our old bath time routine. So probably about 2 hours out of it, 2 3 hours, where we stopped. And I got it done. And I totally underestimated myself. I thought it would have taken me 2 days. I was prepared to do it yesterday and today. But yeah, thank God. So now we are packing, we're getting ready. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing. As I say, just stick around. We're gonna do a pack with me. But right now I'm about to take TJ to the barber. Guys, I did a video the other day when I took him to the barber. So you guys, if you haven't seen that video, head back over there and look. I think it's called TJ's first haircut, so you can look at that. I'm not gonna record this one today. I'm not gonna bring the camera, but we're just gonna head out, take him to the barber, run a few errands, and come back and continue our preparation process. So happy! I am not gonna lie, even though I'm so happy, it's kind of overwhelming. Thinking about the packing, thinking about everything that I need to bring, thinking about what I cannot bring, all the things that I need that I cannot bring for TJ, for TJ's comfort. It's a lot. I ain't gonna lie, it's a lot, you know? So, oh God, when I think about even diaper, I'm like, okay, I don't even know how to plan that. So I might just bring a few from what the pack that I have, and when I get there, I buy a pack. Because I can't bring everything. And the suitcase is a small suitcase. We're not doing check luggage, we're only doing carry-on. So it cannot fit everything. And I'm just doing one suitcase for TJ and myself. So I cannot bring everything. So it's just frustrating. It's just overwhelming, you know, thinking about everything that you have to do. But I'm going to make it work the best way possible. And bottom line is, I'm just going to enjoy my time, enjoy the process. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are back. Okay, it's been a couple hours literally. TJ is now asleep, and it is, I think, after 9 o'clock. So I decided that I'm gonna finish up this video for you guys. So this is legit right now a pack with me. Let me show you guys everything that I'm about to shove into a suitcase, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm packing, what they're for, so on and so forth. Listen, remember, it is my first time traveling with a baby, so I'm no shape or form right here a expert. Okay, I'm just trying to help you guys out. Okay. So they say two heads are better than one. So if you were packing and you might have forgotten something, I'm here to remind you of something that I had packed. You know what I mean? So I don't know, but let me show you. Okay, so right here we have TJ's pile, right? So we have, of course, I'm taking, this thing is so helpful, so incredibly helpful. So this is, if you don't realize, this is high chair that I strap onto just a regular dinner chair, and it works. So I'm definitely bringing that. I'm bringing 2 pairs of shoes, and he's wearing one. So a black pair, the gray pair right here, this one, and he's wearing white shoes. Okay. Alright, I have a couple pairs of slippers. I don't know if you're the type that just shoves stuff in your suitcase, just pick out some clothes and shove it in your suitcase and say, hey, I'm gonna figure this out, pair this together. Or you like plan ahead and actually pair your outfit while you're picking them out. So for TJ's, I literally I put outfits together. Right, for myself, I just have, all I'm bringing for myself, 2 pairs of jeans, one dark blue and one black, and I think 4 tops and a pajama suit to sleep in. That's how I do it. So the 4 tops are gonna dilly dally with the two pairs of jeans. That's how I do it, because I don't want to pack a whole lot of stuff, and then the shoes that I wear, God bless it, that's the shoes I'll be wearing. So that's how I plan on doing it. So let me show you guys again and go through what I'm doing right here. Okay, so as I was saying, and of course along with this goes this is eating bib, and I'm not gonna bother to bring a plate. I'm just bringing a bowl, so if it's rice or soup or whatever, it can still go in a bowl. I bring the biggest bowl. So that's that. I just want him to be comfortable and be like, have some familiarity. Is that the word? Yeah. All right, so let's move on. Over here I bring about 3, 6, 7 diaper, and I have some in my diaper bag. We're gonna get to the diaper bag in a minute, but I have some in my diaper bag, and I bring 7 there. These are the night ones that he sleep in, and the ones in my diaper bag are just the regular daytime one. So all right, so I definitely paired these outfits, as I said. So this one, so he's gonna wear this jumper with this onesie. It's a white onesie, and then his white sneakers. As I say, I plan out everything. And then over here you have another one. This one is gonna wear with this, right? And then he has this set. This is a whole sweatsuit set, so that's by itself. Then he has this for lounging, like if we're not going anywhere, we're just chilling around the house, he can put on this, right? This one is what he's going to wear for the Thanksgiving day, because it's my aunt's birthday too. My aunt's birthday was yesterday, so she's doing the Thanksgiving dinner and her birthday celebration in one. So he's wearing that. I also have this. So this is another long sleeve shirt and a dark wash jeans, right? And then I have legit my favorite, this joggers and the panda sweater, right? So everything right here is paired together. And what I did was, I'm bringing this coat because Florida is warm, but we live in DC where the weather get like a BTICH sometimes, so we don't know what it's gonna be like when we're coming back. So I make sure to bring his coat. This is his bath towel, again just familiarity. And then I have a couple sleepers here that he can sleep in throughout each night. So that's what I'm bringing for TJ. Over here is his diaper bag section, right? So of course I have a winter hat right here. I have this bottle is for milk, this is for juice, and this is for water. They're all empty because you cannot pass the checkpoint with any liquid, so they're all empty. I bought a couple squeeze pouches. He loves these, so these are snacks for the plane. Of course, his toys. These are his favorite toys, so I make sure to pack these. And then this is what's left of it. The straw. This is the straw chips. The veggie straw, yeah. He love these. Legit, I bought this big family size pack, and he's the only one that eats it. So this is what is left of it. So I'm packing that for him. And then a pack of wipes, and then changing pad. Over here, a couple suit of clothes, a bib, and then 2 receivers. These are just like to wipe up spills or if you make a mess. And then my wallet always go in the diaper bag because I'm not bringing a purse. That's it. And then of course paper towel. Never ever leave paper towel. Paper towel is so important. It saves you, again, wipe up spill, or if he's eating something and you don't want him to make a mess, you have it to wipe his hand, stuff like that. So that's the diaper bag, and that's TJ's stuff. As I said, for my stuff is just a couple tops. So this is like a loungewear. If I don't go anywhere, I put these on. This is pajama, and then these are the tops. 1, 2, 3, 4 tops. 4 tops for going out, and then 2 pairs of jeans. 1 black, 1 blue. Over here In this one, I have my makeup, just like stuff for eyebrow, lipstick. Let me open it. So this is it. My lipstick that can be worn under a mask and not to be moved. So that's the Maybelline lipstick. I have a lip liner. I have my powder that is almost done, and my eyebrow thing that I use to make my eyebrow. And then my toiletry bag, that's TJ and I, like body wash, stuff like that, deodorant, you know the jazz. And then personal stuff right here. So in the morning, of course, not every single thing is packed, because in the morning I'm gonna have to remember to grab a toothbrush after we brush our teeth, and what else, TJ's blanket. TJ does not sleep without something soft and fluffy, so he's sleeping with it right now. I have another one in the drawer, but the one that he's sleeping with I rather, because it's brand new and it's much more fluff, fleecy. So I have to remember to grab that. I have to remember to grab my camera. Definitely, you guys are going with me. Welcome. So I have to grab my camera bag to put in all my gears and stuff, because I'm gonna try my very best to do another vlog tomorrow for you guys, you know, just what my experience is like with TJ. It's his first time flying, my first time flying with him, so I want to document that. And then like my charger. So what I did so that I don't forget the other stuff that is not right here right now that I'm gonna need to pack in the morning is write them down. So I have a piece of paper on my desk that I write down all the stuff. So what I did, the stuff that I already wrote down that I did not want to forget that I already have here, I tick them off. The stuff that are left that are supposed to be packed in the morning that are very important, I circle them with a red ink pen just to make sure that they stand out, like the charger and the blanket. And then of course I have to bring the car seat. Guys, you see, when everything come together, it seems like a lot. It's gonna be a lot, you know, with a baby. I do not have a stroller. I'm not gonna bring this big stroller. It's gonna be hard to, I don't know the size car that my aunt drive. I don't know if it's gonna fit the suitcase plus the stroller in the back. So if I had one of those little umbrella strollers, that would have been great. I don't, so I'm just gonna do without. It's gonna be hard if the gate in the airport is far away that we have to walk. That's gonna be super hard, because TJ is not gonna walk very far. He's not gonna walk very fast, so I'm gonna have to pick him up. Hopefully Shamar can manage a 2 suitcase, and I will have him in my arm trying to vlog, and the car seat. So I don't know, we'll see how that goes. And as I say, I'll definitely be letting you guys know how that goes. So that's basically it. I'm not bringing my computer. That is why I try my best over the week and the weekend to knock these videos out. Like I did 4 videos, schedule them. I have videos straight up until December 2nd, just to make sure that when I come back I'm not in a rush, like I need to get a video done, you know. So I created videos, schedule them, so they're there for you guys waiting, and I don't have to feel rushed. So therefore I'm not gonna bring my laptop. I'm just gonna be like enjoying the moment with my families, just be there, be present, instead of like, oh, I have to take off for a minute, I'm going to edit, you know, like, yeah, nobody want to deal with all of that. We're here to enjoy each other's company. I do not live down there. I don't get to see them very often, so I just want to enjoy the time, enjoy the moment, and have fun. So I bust my ass to make sure that happened with scheduling out those videos. Anyways, enough yapping. Let's see what we can get in this suitcase. Okay, see if we can get all of this in the suitcase. Let's go. Okay guys, so that is it. I'm surprised it fit. You know, I am surprised it fit because as you guys can tell, I'm not a packer. I'm not a great packer. I just like put them in there to the best of my ability. But yeah, so it all fits. So now I guess I am ready to go. Yeah, so excited. But yeah, oh my god. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was helpful to somebody out there that was packing, that is packing, that is about to pack. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you. Make sure you subscribe. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.